Hello everyone, today we will make a very simple jump scare with Unreal Engine 5. First of all, we need to draw the game's attention to the area where the jump scare will take place. We start by adding a trigger box to our scene. Let's make it big enough so that the player does not skip this section. While the trigger box is selected, we enter the level blueprint. We add event for the trigger box. Let's simply drag the door object to the event graph. This event needs to be triggered once. First, we will open the door very little. To do this, we add a timeline. After adding a float track, we set the time as half a second. We add 2 keys. The first key values will be 0 in the second. The time is half a second. And for the value, let's take a look at the door. Yes, I think 5 degrees will be enough. Select both keys and set the interpolation value to auto. This will provide a smoother movement. Let's go back to the event graph and call the Set Actor Relative Rotation node, where we will set the rotation of the door mesh. We will only need the Z value. We'd better move the trigger box back a bit, otherwise the door movement may be missed. We've got the actor's attention. Normally the player will move towards the door. Let's add another trigger box right in front of the door and resize it. We can go to the event graph and start creating the event. This time we will open the door more. We will do a similar process as above. Only the Z value and duration will change. We make the first key value 10, because the door is already slightly ajar. We make the second key value 35. We may want to open the door a little faster. I include a creature I downloaded from fab.com in the scene and position it right behind the door. I want the door to close half a second after the door opens. I add a delay node and call another timeline. This time we will close the door quickly. Now let's add sounds for a better effect. We should add the sounds before the timeline node. If you're finding value in these tutorials, hit that subscribe button and drop a like if you love the content. You can also ring the bell to stay updated. See you in the restaurant at the end of the universe.